Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel Online. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a drop-down list that is searchable and does not show blank options. So first of all, I'm going to create a simple list in column A. So I'll just type a few items in there. So Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint. Then I'm going to leave a space and then do Outlook and another space and then Publisher. So I've purposely put those spaces in there. Now in cell D1, I'll go back onto the Home tab. In cell D1, which I'm going to colour yellow so we can see where the drop-down list is going to be, I'm going to the Data tab and Data Validation. Now, let's move that across a little bit. So it says there, any value and then data, but I'm going to change that to a list. And then I need to select the list. So this is the list. Now if that was a named list, I could type a named range. So I'm just going to come down to 12. So there's loads of blank spaces there. I'm making sure this is ticked. Obviously if that's not ticked, there's going to be blank options. I don't want those. Any input message that you might want, you can just put a message there, a title and then a message, only these items, for example. And then the error message, if somebody does it wrong, stop just these items in the list, or some other message. Click OK to that, and you can see that heading coming there, only these items. Now that's the list. So you look at this list and there's gaps are there, but it's not showing the gaps, and there's obviously all this space down the bottom there. If I type something in there like Google, for example, because my list went down to 12, that picks it up. And also if I just click into the cell without dropping this list down and start typing, so I'll type P because there's more than one P, you just get the options beginning with the letter P. So then you can click on them or you can type the whole thing. So if I type W in there, Word comes up. If I type E in there, Excel comes up, and so on. So it's a searchable drop-down list we're creating here. Now this is Excel Online. This feature is coming into the desktop version of Excel very shortly. It's available in beta at the moment. But to get this sort of searchable list, there are some serious formulas you need to be able to do. But online you've got it already, as you do in Google Sheets as well. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.